Well, let's go back to Rima then. Rima, tell us about Mindtree's earnings. They were a mixed bag, right? What are the key takeaways?
Yes, mixed bag, because revenues were a miss, but margins and profits were higher than estimates. So first on the top line, as we said, revenue growth was lower than estimates. The company reported a dollar revenue growth of 1.5%, lower than estimates of 2%. Even in constant currency terms, it was a growth of 1%. The street was working with about a growth figure of 1.5%. And the key reason, the company said, is an account of rationalization of tail accounts, and that is likely to continue going ahead. On the positive, it was the margins. Margins expanded by 260 basis points sequentially at the EBITDA level. We were expecting a margin expansion, but this is actually looking pretty good in terms of margin. And profits too have jumped up by 45% on a quarter-on-quarter basis. A, on account of higher margins, but B, on account of a higher other income. But if you look at some of the internals, it's a tad bit disappointing because the deal wins declined by 33% on a quarter-on-quarter basis. If I look at it on a year-on-year basis, it was down 19% at $207 million. The company in the conference call indicated that some of the decision-making from clients is getting deferred, and the company is also refrained from taking on some tail account, some low-margin work. So net-net, it's a mixed quarter. Revenues missed, some internals like deal wins were lower than estimates, but on the flip side, the company continues to expand its margins after hitting that all-time low margins in Q1. Back to you.
All right, Rima, thanks a lot for that. So mixed set coming in for Mindtree. But staying with earnings then, IndusInd Bank also reported Q3 numbers.